Wow. Can't get over how good you are finding those opposites. New and old. That's an opposite. Right and left. That's another one. Oh, you see a clue. Where? Oh! On this light switch. Only now it's down. So this down light switch must be our clue. You know what we need? Our handy notebook. Okay, a down light switch. A shape pointing down. And then a line coming down. And a big rectangle around. A down light switch. Now we have all three clues. Hey, we have all three clues. You know what that means. We're ready. You to sit in our thinking chair. Come on.